Media. Like social media is really, really good. We should actually use or not.
See, as it is said that a phrase is there that everything has two sides, even the coin has two sides. The same,
Exactly.
exactly same way, our this social media can also lead us to wonders and also can lead us to a devastating result. As we can see in today's world, and even me and you got connected with this social media platform only. So I would
Absolutely.
say it is just a boon for us when used in a positive way. But when it goes to something as like we are sitting, okay, let's ruin everything, then it is a perfect tool to ruin everything, as for me.
Absolutely. 18, it is okay. But according to 12 of age, 12, 13, 14. So like they also actually like should use phone or not.
See, I also have my siblings. They are just 13 right now. So I would say they also be like, okay, we also need to use this app. You are using this, I will also switch to it. So it is not like you should make them, okay, don't use, don't use. No need to say that. Just make them understand once that once you get into this environment, you will get habituated.
Right.
Or what was that? Yeah. Talking about children who are around the age of 12, 13, like that. So when it comes to social media for them, so I would say that make them understand if they cannot, they are saying no, no, we need to continue, we need to continue. Just make it as per your guidance. Just say that like you can use it, but not in like in a wrong way. If you want to use it, you want to talk to your friend, you want to talk to strangers, be in a limit. Because when we say
Absolutely.
no to a child that no, don't use it, when there is a strict no, the child will definitely go for it.
Absolutely. Actually, there is a hypothetical situations, and situation is that suppose like you just turning to us that you have siblings, okay, and obviously your siblings is younger than you. So if your sibling want to continue their studies and time is midnight, time is 2:30 a.m. Okay, and that siblings also continue the studies, not do any kind of thing. Okay, so what will you do? Like what kind of reactions that you react to? That whole day he is studying by the phone at in midnight, and you are sleeping, and everyone is sleeping. So in this situation, you will give the permission to him or her or not. Means
See, it comes to like the person has studied the whole day, a child has studied whole day, and again he is over the screen because there is a limit of screen time for our eyes. And if it comes to things that the person was using screen from a long time, 6 hours, 7 hours, or 8 hours, and being a kid, their eyes get affected very like within minor range of these things. So I would just try to convince the person that please don't do it right now, or I will buy like there are many such equipments like you can buy glasses so that you can use like prolong use of screen time and all these laptops and all. Even I started when I started all this journey, and I was having a lot of exposure to this screen time, a lot of increase in my this. So I started facing issues as like my eyes used to seems as if they are burning.
oh my god.
And yeah, because I was like, I will sit morning. I will continue with all these Zoom meetings, Gmeet session, Zoom meeting, Gmeet session. I will continue with this because in lockdown you had nothing to do. So
Exactly.
I reached a stage that my eyes were facing an issue. So I went for like there are many things like online site you can buy easily these products. So there I found the solution. So I would just try that the person refer to these things, like they can buy the specs or the lens or whatever is beneficial to the person. Because I cannot, like if I say no to him or her at like at this a tender age and for learning new thing only, then there's a child must feel like they are hindering my growth. And that must not be
Exactly.
there inculcated in a child that these people are hindering the growth. That may lead to wrong results.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely right. But thing is that actually you want to say that if that person is as per my thoughts, as per my opinion, that if like students also continue the education, right? That students also continue the education, and I know that like tomorrow he has exams, okay, and it's very very necessary to continue the exams and to continue the preparation. So of course I will say that yeah, of course. First thing is that actually, because I am mom, so that's why I can understand, and that's why I have a little fear that my child is also doing something is wrong or right. It's like it is a actually correct, is a bad. But how can I wait to everyone? Social media is really really amazing thing. If you want to do anything, if you want to become successful, definitely just go on the Google and just search it. You whatever you want to search, whatever you want to grab the knowledge, you also can find easily within few seconds. What do you think about that, Sarika?
So let me first tell and confess one thing that I am also on Insta, and I would say that I have been there for a year long. And I started, it was all like for fun, having conversation, having chit chat, sharing stories, and post and everything. For around 6 7 months, I was not aware that I can go and get into this wonderful content too. So from there, I found a few people who can converse with me daily, and that too in my this learning language, and it will help me out. And second, I found a lot of channels are there which are for vocab building, which are for this daily news, and also there are channels for from where you can learn. Actually they are making such videos that they will make a video or write a note over that red, the thing that I will write in red, that you can speak, and there is like a virtual kind of practice. So I found this wonderful content over these platform too. So
Yeah, yeah,
that's
absolutely.
definite that you just start using the way and everything will be in your way only.
Exactly, you are saying right actually. And actually, first thing is that like you said a really, really very well point, and you accepted that thing as well. And definitely, it means that you are actually really good because of. I'm not saying that everyone should use Insta. Like, if your purpose has learned something, so definitely I must say that just go and just use whatever you want to use any application. Just try to grab and just try to download and learn, because I am not saying that I don't have Insta account, I don't have Facebook account. I have many applications, and only just because of English communication. It's only purpose is that only English.
Like
Even
you can connect to those UPSC aspirants. They say that we are like we are having no connection with our social media and all this. I just say that you guys go for newspaper reading, and you cannot grab everything. Okay, you grabbed this main headlines. This thing happened. Their CM resigned. Their CM is like taking the position and everything. But you cannot get into those news that are hidden. And I was like, I found the channel, 2 3 channels I am following, and that are really showing amazing views of these countries and everything. Like we are seeing reels that is really trending. You just open Instagram and you will get reels. But you just search for something good and you will find it. And I found those reels were made by people. Those were from US, America, Britishers, and also like from France. They are giving a good knowledge about their own country, what's going on there.
exactly,
It's really nice.
this is the point by the world. Like you also can get knowledge whole world. Like you don't have need to go outside if you want to visit. And like this is a really very interesting. If you don't have money but you want to visit Switzerland, you want to visit USA, just go and just go and just try to search the video, and you also can watch, right? Like I just
Yes,
give the solution and
like
no
there
one
are
gets.
northern lights. People are crazy about it. Even me myself, it's in Antarctica and all these places. It happens around Feb, like seasonal it is. So I was like, I want to go there, but all this lockdown was and all was. My mom was like, no, 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 you cannot go there. That's not possible. And this age, it's not possible. So I used to be like, I will search for aurora lights over YouTube, over Insta. I will just see them
Yeah,
with my visuals, and it will be so nice. So I would just say that if
exactly.
I can enjoy these things, I can enjoy everything.
Exactly, exactly. We can, and of course, you also can, if you have control in your hands, you also can stop to yourself. So, definitely, this is a machine, this is a technology, and this technology cannot do any kind of thing without your permission, without your hand clicking. So, just try to keep your eyes what's happening and just try to look at all things. If you are giving the permissions to your siblings,
When I started using it, I was back. It was around 2015. So there I was not aware of it, and I had no elder like my I was having siblings, so I had no one to guide me because like our parents are using it, but still they are not well aware of these things yet. So being elder child, I had no guidance, and I don't know how my number was shared over there over the social media platform. I was like devastated that time. I was getting a lot of ping-ups, calls, texts, and it was like, oh shit, how did it happen? And I got it after 2 days of this disturbance that I had done this mistake. Then I just switched that privacy off. So I would say that before starting everything, we just need to have a look over these things, what things we are sharing. Sometimes unknowingly only a number gets shared or a email ID or anything can be shared, and that leads to something that is called oh shit kind of situation.
yeah, yeah, exactly. And of course, if you are stuck in any situations, in critical situation, of course, you also can search on the Google or on the YouTube. And of course, I hope you will get to any kind of solution. And of course, by that solutions, you also can get to, you also can overcome about this problem. Seriously, whatever you have, any problem. So of course, it's easy task to overcome. Now, question is that how much time you just spend on the social media?
So I would say that I spent around max 2 hours over my Insta. I will say I will not lie in this case. And from 6:30 evening till 8:30 or 9:30, I will be over my like every kind of social media I will use, whether it's FB, WhatsApp, or Insta, anything it is. Because that time I'm getting free, as I am also preparing for my CAT exam, so it's quite difficult to take out time during day to use these platforms. So I will check all of my accounts during the 6:30 to 8:30 or 9:30 time, as I'm busy with my classes, hosting sessions. If I'm done once with that, I'll start scrolling. Let's see what happened today, what was the news about, or what I can learn new things, or what my friends shared. That is most important, although.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Absolutely
and,
good. Absolutely
uh,
good.
that is the thing. And other than this, I get really less time right now. Otherwise, I was very addicted to social media before all this journey started of learning English and everything. When I started this, it was like fun, but now it is like a duty that
So
you
much
have to
addict.
practice it.
I'm so much addict, I can say.
Yeah, now I'm
Okay.
addicted to this.
Yeah, yeah. Because, but you know why you are addicted? Because you have purpose. You already decide your target to learn something, and your purpose to use the social media because you want to learn English communication. You want to improve yourself. It means that you are very okay.
When I started all this, and they was like, you don't talk to us and all that. Whole day you are sitting online. I was like, it's okay. What happened?
Yeah.
Like, no, it's not okay. We just need to talk to you. And you're like, wait a second, and that second never ends. We have to
Exactly.
get,
Really, really great. But when you were listening real, and that was really, really, rocking, and you also can grab all accent,
yeah,
how they are shouting, how they are loving, how they are admiring to everyone, how they are loving to each other. I love that.
yeah, like, it is really amazing. As I follow just mainly one leader, that is Muniba Mazari. Hope everyone
I
might have
love
heard
that. I
about. Yeah,
love that.
yeah. When I started, I used to hear her speech a lot. And even I still had recordings now. Like I changed my phone, so that's why I cannot put them along with me. But when I started, I had recordings of her speech in my voice. I
Oh
used to
my
hear
God.
them. It was amazing.
Oh my gosh, you touch my heart. Like my first love. Who's my first love? My first love is Munima Masari. I love that. Because of her speech, I just changed my life. Her speech. When I just
Her
listen to
speech was
her,
the like those were the first line of my life when I started all this journey. Those words were first words I started like recording and practicing and everything.
exactly, exactly. So Sarika, actually, I have only in my phone only 2% of battery. So let's get started the conclusion. Okay, so Sarika, could you please give me a short conclusion about the social media?
Yeah, so when it comes to using social media, as I have earlier said that every coin has two sides. Yes, definitely I will never disagree this term. So I would just tell everyone, even it is my friend, family, relative, anyone, a stranger even, if it is asked to me that how we should I quit social media because I'm not getting time for this work or for my exam preparation, for my like I need to go for some government job or any kind of job or any entrance exam as I am also in this phase right now. So I would just say
Exactly.
them that don't quit anything, just continue with it with a proper purpose. If you are sitting online for watching reels over Insta, basically, or any kind of such funny videos, so please stop it. Because every time we cannot watch those videos. Just switch to things that are related to your exam, mainly to your exam, or can be the journey that we all are along with each other. That is English speaking journey. So just try to think about it that quitting is better or learning new things within a short span of time is better. Because if you quit learning, that means you are quitting your journey that you have completed everything and you have to again start with that 0 point.
Exactly. Exactly. If you will, if you want to grow, so definitely just try to think first to do something. Before do something, just try to think and firstly just try to do. Just try to take an initiative action. What you are doing. What you are doing actually. If you are using social media in the wrong way, don't do that. Because of you, someone can spoil the life as well. Someone also can take a decision to suicide. So I must say only and only, please just try to don't don't try to think about your enjoyment. Just try to think about another's life as well, because with you and a lot of lives also with you. So thing is that please just try to use the social media, and you also can learn a really real lessons by that girl. That girl is from UP, and you also can think about the UP's atmosphere. And she also considered to herself she's from rural area, but still now you can imagination she is actually dynamic personality because she is actually using perfectly perfectly way or right way social media. Right now, she is also facing camera. She is also speaking really, really amazing. How can I praise to her? But of course, I don't have words really. But I want to say only and only one thing, that if you can live, like you can live anywhere, no matter that you are from foreigner or you are from your country. It is not matter. If you are from your rural area or really very luxury life, but you are having what? You are having what kind of stuff? That is really important. That is really important. So just try to learn with Sarika and just try to listen this podcast. And definitely, I hope you will get to know what kind of lessons we also can learn. Whole conversation is recorded. So shall I upload this video on the YouTube channel? Is it okay for you?
Yeah, it's fine. And can provide me the link too so that I can also watch.
That's cool. Yeah, of course. Why not? Definitely, it's all you. Yeah, of course, definitely. I will send you links and definitely you can watch out easily. Okay.